Hi there, I'm Noreen. I'm at Katy Design Studio and I've been asked to introduce you to a new product that they're bringing out, and it's called a Perfect Precision double-sided tape pen. Have to say, I love the colour. It's a lovely feel, it's absolutely gorgeous, but you know and I know there's different ones on the market. So let me just show you some of the problems you might have encountered with your double-sided pens. And then you find when you're doing it, that's maybe a little bit claggy, a little bit hit and miss. Can you see where we're just getting little strings? Or it might break up. And generally, you tend that you're going to, oops, say it stopped again. Can you see that the way that's just pulling on the gun there, which has caused that break? What it is disappointing. If you want a precision finish, what you don't really want is that kind of look. You want to know that anything that you're going to join to that is going to completely adhere and not have those little bits missing. This is going to be the answer to all your problems. Watch. Now, you see the difference in that? You see those lines that's even going across it? That shows you that it's got that depth and the straightness, the strength. With these little short bits, you're still going to get exactly the same precision. See how straight that edge is? And that's the results that you get. I mean, it's just absolutely stunning. If you're doing a project, you want to make sure that when you're putting your tape pen down, that this is going to work as good as you can possibly get it. It's going to stick. It's going to heavyweight card, no problem whatsoever. The glue is so strong. Every time you're going to get that perfectly straight line, and it's going to be super strong that you've got no problems at all in using it on all your craft projects. You're going to love it as much as I love it. Enjoy.